How to make your YouTube channel visible on YouTube search. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply head over to your browser and open your YouTube application, and inside your YouTube application click on profile. Once you click on profile, simply head inside your channel. Once you're inside your channel, simply click on your channel. Simply click on YouTube Studio. Yeah, once you click on YouTube Studio, you'll be redirected into this page where you'll see dashboard, and you have to click on settings from here. Once you click on settings from here, click on channel from here, and you have to add the SEO optimization, search engine optimization keywords here. There's SEO keywords. So let's say my channel name is Inspire Words. Simply click on any keyword that comes to your mind related to your channel, like this. These are the type of video I uploads in the YouTube, like this. And once you click that, click on save, and once again scroll below here, simply click on customization, and you just make sure you have filled up all of these basic details from here, like description or URL or links or whatever, like this. And once you do that, and that's it. That's exactly how you can customize your YouTube channel for your search engine optimization to appear it in the search. So hope that video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.